Here we have a copper joint, piece of copper pipe, copper fitting, bit of flux on it, and a small metal shroud. What we're going to do is attempt to solder using induction current. So we'll pass the coil over the metal shroud, and hopefully the heat will transfer to the copper, and we'll be able to successfully flamelessly solder the joint. Let the heat transfer. There we go. It's an end feed fitting. Placing a bit of copper in there. Using the heat transfer. The smoke is because the small piece of metal that I've used as a transfer was painted. So we've got a little bit of heat off, but it looks like we've successfully soldered that. We'll just wait for it to cool. No. Using a heat-proof rag. Just going to check it out to see whether the joint was successful. As you can see, capillary action took the solder all the way around the joint, successfully soldering a piece of soft soldering a piece of copper using a metal shroud.